Hello, good day everyone. This is Michael from Sir Michael Business Consults. A very good day to everyone listening to me in this time. Now, today we are looking at this tutorial how to have a duplicate application on your phone. For instance, you have a Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, Lite, and the other applications, and you want to have a duplicate one. For instance, you register two accounts and use them at the same time. Yeah, you can have a WhatsApp and WhatsApp business with different phone numbers on your phone, but how can you have the same WhatsApp and you duplicate it to have a different numbers for the same WhatsApp or the same WhatsApp business or for the same TikTok or TikTok Lite application? Now, before this, we could have used a third party application to something like Clone. Clone was in a system some years ago. I've not verified whether it's still active, but there were some apps whereby you can clone your app, and these were third party. But this morning, we are looking at how to have it without downloading or installing any third party application. Now, it depends on your phone, but this phone that I'm using right now for this tutorial is Techno Spark 20. It's also on the Spark 13. I believe it's on some other higher and some other contemporary phones. So what you do is you first go to your settings. So I have my settings here. You go to your settings so you can do the drop down menu from dragging the top. Now over there you move to app management. So after clicking on the app management, you see you have app list, screen time, default apps. Then we have app update. If you want to update your phone, now for the purpose of this video, we will look to app twin. So it means that we are getting a clone or a twin. So before that, we were using a clone, maybe WhatsApp clone, and that will clone some of your apps. But that is a third party app. But now it is a system that has been embedded in some of these phones. So if your phone is compatible, you later move on. You can put in the comment section and I'll get for you to know the phone that are compatible if it works with your phone, and I also update you with phones in my comment section that are also compatible with this new hack. So you go to the app twin. Over there, you can see the Facebook, Messenger, Snapchat, Telegram, WhatsApp, and it is totally legal because it's your phone that is doing that. You are not cloning it and with a third party app, so WhatsApp is not gonna block you or maybe give you warning. So there are so many apps you can try. We can have the TikTok, Facebook Lite here, the TikTok Lite, and WhatsApp Business. For instance, people are into WhatsApp, they want to utilize the business app with two different phone numbers, but once you have the main WhatsApp, maybe GB WhatsApp, which usually sometimes they block you because of other policy violation with the WhatsApp business and with the GB WhatsApp, the Yo WhatsApp, and the other WhatsApp that are not officially endorsed by WhatsApp Meta. So these are some other apps that you could also app twin. But for the purpose of this, my WhatsApp business haven't been set, so I don't want to bother myself with the WhatsApp business. It works the same way with any of them. So let me go to WhatsApp. You click on it. Now you will see it is installing a twin whereby you can log into WhatsApp A or WhatsApp B. So now it is done. If you click on it again, it will deactivate. So let me move straight to my WhatsApp app. Let me search for my WhatsApp. Now there's my WhatsApp. I click on it. Now you see I have two different WhatsApp. That is the original WhatsApp. The one you see is the original WhatsApp. That is a WhatsApp twin or the clone one. So if I click on this, that will move to my usual WhatsApp. So that is my WhatsApp over here. If I go back, and look at this point, what does it seem here? That is a new WhatsApp that I've opened. If I click on it, it will ask me to create a new WhatsApp. Let me show you that what we did actually worked. So let me go here and turn it off. Once I close it, you'll realize that let me go back, that I will not have such issue. Let me even close the WhatsApp so that you know that the WhatsApp has been closed and I'm opening for the first time. Now as you click on it, you see WhatsApp will move straightly to my DM. Now you see WhatsApp has moved straight. So I can just go back and do the press again. The app management and the app twin. Then we can set a new WhatsApp for you to see that it really works. So we go back to the WhatsApp, the application management app twin, sorry. Then we click on WhatsApp, reduplicate. It can work for any of them. Clone app added to home screen. So I can move here to my WhatsApp. They'll ask me, then I'll do the clone WhatsApp. Then I'll try to set this WhatsApp for us to see that it really works. So let me choose English because that's the language I understand here. Agree and continue. So I will type my number here, 297 7064. Yes, the number is correct. The code will be sent here, and then later I will deactivate this WhatsApp number. So now the code just came. Verification complete. So you see, now if I want to back up and do other things, I can just click on it and allow. So now I have my secondary contact here. So let me say add, and now that number is on WhatsApp. I can decide to delete it. I'll continue. So let me skip this for now for the purpose of this. If I want to skip it, I don't want to add all these, but you can do them if you're creating an actual. I'll later use this number on WhatsApp business, so I don't want to create a lot of these things just to make this video lengthy. But once you know, so you go to settings, then you go to app twin. So app twin is like the variance of the app clone, whereby we were installing this third party app to clone. So now you see people that I can chat here, and I think these are people that I have in my contact list. So I can decide to send a message to myself. Let me see if my own number is there. Michael. Okay, so there's a lot of Michaels on my phone, so I can decide to chat each of them. So that is it. So let me say hi to my mom, and let's see that it will work. Mother. So I can have different WhatsApp on my phone. So that is it. Voila, it goes. So that is how to get a different WhatsApp app. So with this, you can have up to 3 or 4 WhatsApp numbers on your phone. That is, you do one for the WhatsApp business, and you can do another for the normal WhatsApp. And if you're a lover of WhatsApp, the GB WhatsApp, your WhatsApp, and the rest. But normally, sometimes they do block them because of policy, and it's from a third party app instead of WhatsApp Incorporation or WhatsApp Meta doing that. So this has been Sir Michael. Have a nice day. Kindly subscribe if you find value, and there will be a lot of these educational tutorials on this app for students and also for the general public. Some for playlists for biology lessons, others will also be for tutorials, animation like this, and some tech reviews. Thank you very much for staying with us. There is a Michael Business Consult. See you another time. Hit the notification bell and you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye.